The Poinsettia Frame Die features a half frame of layered poinsettias, leaves, and flower buds for building festive floral borders and frames. The berries are cut out by circles in a line die, and all the circles are the same size, so you don't need to worry about placement. We also included an extra circle just in case. Use the frame as is or make it twice to create a full frame around your A2 card. You can also cut all of the elements from white and use the coloring stencil to color them in. Due to the delicate design, we found that it's easier to align the stencil to the die cut piece before pressing them both down on the grip mat. There is one layer for all the leaves, one layer for all the berries, two layers for the flower buds, and two layers for the poinsettias. You can also skip the petal layer and leave them white if you'd like. The flower centers might look random, but all three actually line up to be stenciled at once. You can die cut the individual poinsettias from white cardstock and use the stencil to color them in and stack them for more dimension. You can use the frame as they are or trim apart the elements to create your own design. Some leaves on the frames won't be full once trimmed apart, but you can use the individual poinsettias to cover those spots or use the leaf die cut to replace the missing tips. The flat edge of the design makes it easy to pair the frame die. Try it with our nesting piercing ticket frame die for a clean and polished look.